welcome, I guess. Never done this before. Episode 1 of whatever we're gonna call this thing. We're gonna be going over plugs for our XLR port here. So we're gonna get into it. On Amazon, metal XLR caps, $7 or $8. I'm gonna put the link below in the video so you'll be able to buy those on there. That's gonna go right in here. But the problem is, once you get it in, it's kind of hard to get out. So, next thing you're gonna want to get is one of these. That's what we're working with. And this is just one of those keychains. And like so, take our 3M adhesive. It's pretty flush, sticks out just a little bit, but it's gonna keep. This is gonna keep your XLR port nice and dry. Then when you want to pull it out to charge, you know this on a ring. What your final product's gonna look like. There you have it. That's first mod. Stay tuned for more. We're still working on a name. This is all brand new. Don't know what we're gonna call this thing yet. My name's Sam.